Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss the mechanism of action and the benefits of ozone in the musculoskeletal system. The therapeutic action of ozone is because of its strong oxidizing property. This is responsible for the important analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties of ozone while treating musculoskeletal pathology. Along with this, ozone gas also brings about a sense of well-being because of stimulation of the central nervous system and the endocrine system to produce neurotransmitters and other hormones and boost metabolism. Ozone can be administered via the percutaneous route, intra-articular route or periarticular routes as well. It helps in enriching the tissues it is administered to with oxygen, which thus enhances the vascularity. Ozone has found its application in various pathologies, in treatment of various pathologies like herniated disc, osteoarthritis of the knee, frozen shoulder or adhesive capsulitis, small rotator cuff tears, then fibromyalgia. It has found its widespread application in the treatment for the symptoms of fibromyalgia and other conditions of chronic pain.